Hey DIYers, I'm Mark Montano, and today on Make Your Mark, we are making Valentine's treat boxes using my gel press and upcycled cardboard tubes. Now before I forget, I want you to thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say hi. Are you ready? Let's make some Valentine treat boxes. I'm going to leave a link in the description to all the products I used for this project. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment, and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, grab a copy of the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you next week. Bye.